Hey everyone, this is Chris with Flat Six Motorsports. Today we're going to be installing a harness bar and some harnesses on the 718 GT4 behind me. Here we have our RSS harness bar as well as some Schroth harnesses that are going to be going in this car. So let's get to it. First things first, we're going to remove these seats and the interior so that we'll have room to work with. So now with the seats removed and some of these side panel trim pieces out, we're able to test fit our harness bar. You can choose to leave the carpet bent like this, or you can cut it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be marking the carpet now while this is mocked up, and then we'll be cutting it so this will fit in really smoothly. And then we'll be finalizing the install. It's pretty easy that it bolts into these bolts that hold the chassis braces and the seat belts. So that is nice and simple, and it's gonna allow us to put our harnesses up top so that they'll be routed through the seat and over the shoulders. So now we've got our carpets cut to allow the bar to slip through. I think it looks really great here. We've got the mounting points secured and tightened down. So now we can start to focus on the harnesses, get those set up on the seats, and then we'll be able to put these seats back in the car and start putting everything back together. So there you have it, the RSS harness bar installed with a set of Schroth racing harnesses. Harnesses are a great upgrade for any track car, and I think that's why it fits perfectly on this GT4 here. If you have any questions about installing track prep equipment in your Porsche, give us a call. We're happy to help. If you enjoyed this video, let us know, and we'll see you in the next one.